Hello, Sunbeams 2. So we are into lesson 22. This week we are celebrating MYC's birthday as well. So you can send me a text and you can pick up your little bag that's going to have birthday treats and your St. Patrick's Day practice incentive. So send me a text before you come to get those, and we'll have a socially distancing celebration for MYC. Okay, so let's start by singing our song, and we're going to say it feels like spring. Okay. When the sun peeks from behind the clouds, the sunbeams sing and play. We will be together when it feels like spring. It is our music day. Then we'll see who's joining in the fun. Clap your hands and tap your toes. Keep time with everyone. When we join our hands and circle round, the sunbeams bring a smile. We will be together in our class and happy all the while. Then we'll see who's joining us today. Hello, Kevin, hello, Sunbeams, we're all here to play. Okay, right hand, let's say hello to everyone. Hello, everyone. And let's do our scale. Sing do, mi, so, upper do. Do, mi, so, upper do, so, mi, do. Okay, so practice singing that at home. And is this major, happy, or minor, sad? Sad. This one is your major, it's happy. Okay? All right, so we're continuing with G major scale with our left-hand chords. And make sure you're going nice and slow and listening that all the notes land together. Okay, we have W36, line 2, that we're going to work on. And count it carefully. And remember, you've got your C sharp coming into here. These pages are just really, really good for getting our fingers moving quickly with the chords. Then our song that we're going to look at is a fiddle tune. And it is on K49. And we have Allegro, which is quick and lively. We are starting on a pickup beat. 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and bounce, bounce. So I'm not sure if some of your books have the phrase extended to here. You shouldn't have the phrase underneath the staccato notes. So it should actually end here. So you might want to adjust that. And look at the patterns. It's stepping up and down and up and down and up, bounce, bounce. Okay, and I only want you to go to here. You're welcome to play the entire page by all means, but I only really want you to go to here and focus on those festival pieces, okay? Then for homework, we have H55 and H56. So we're looking at the inversions of the triads again. So on H55, we have our first inversion. So we have a note by itself at the top, and we can't name it from the bottom note because it doesn't look like a snowman. So we have to name it from this one. So this would be D, first inversion. And if we have two notes at the top, then we name it from where there's room for the root to grow. This would be A, second inversion. And if it looks like a snowman, then we can name it from the bottom note. Okay. And then on H56, we are looking at similar motion and contrary motion. So similar motion goes in the same direction. Contrary motion is opposite. Goes out and opposite directions coming in. So you're going to have a look at this, name the key. So remember, if you're stuck, you can always go to the W pages in the back, but look at the first and last note of the scale, and remember in your harmonic, it's the 7th note that's raised going up, but coming back down, this would be the first note of the scale. Our 7th note becomes here, okay? So look at the first and last notes, that really helps you, and in this case, we're sharing the first note, so that again is another clue as to where we are there. So those are your homework pages. Then we're going to have a look at E11. And this is a Beethoven Ode to Joy. This is a castanet page. We have the DC alpha-A. DC means da capo, which means from the beginning. Alpha-A means to the end, and your ending is here. Okay? So for rhythm bags, you have, again, do it with me, 1 and 2 and 3 and 1, 2 and 3 and, that's one rhythm story I want you to write. And the other one will be, again, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Okay, so send me a text to pick up your birthday celebration and your practice incentives, and let me know how that has gone as far as what I should be putting in your bag. And the most you can get is 3 things. So for every 5, you would get 1 thing in your bag for the St. Patrick's practice incentive. And then starting next week, we'll start working on our Easter one. So have a really good week. We'll say goodbye. So long, farewell, our music class is over. We sang a bit and played a bit, and now it's time to study it. Have a great week, you guys, and happy birthday, NYC.